Okay, for your additional notes, let's have the depreciation. So depreciation is the decrease in value. So we are to discuss on straight line method. For example, the original cost of a certain piece of equipment is 500,000. So that is the first cost. So the salvage value, or also known as the trade-in value after 5 years. So your useful life there is 5 years is 100,000. So that is the salvage value 100,000. Using straight line method of depreciation, calculate the book value at the end of 3 years. So if you're given your first cost there is equal to 500,000, your salvage value is equal to 100,000, and your useful life, that is 5 years, we are required now to get the book value at the end of 3 years. So using your formula for straight line method, that is your depreciation is equal to first cost minus the salvage value divided by the useful life, that is n. So is equal to, substituting, that is 500,000 minus 100,000 divided by 5 years. So it will give us 80,000. So for the formula for book value at a certain term, that is equal to first cost minus the depreciation at a certain term. So that is equal to 500,000 minus 80,000 multiplied by 3 years. So it will give us the book value at the end of 3 years is equal to 260,000. Okay, now for your solution 2 using your calculator, let us have this table. So for your x, that corresponds to your time. For your y, that corresponds to your book value. So in 0 time, your book value there is the first cost, that is 500,000. So after 5 years, your book value there is the salvage value, which is 100,000. So if you are going to use your calculator, you press mode and then you click on 3 for the statistics, and then next you click on 2 for a plus bx. So you type there, that is 0, you press equals, then next that is 5, okay, you press equals, you go up there. So 0 corresponds to the book value of 500,000, so press equals. Next you press 100,000 for 5 years, so you press equals, and then press on the AC button and then shift, you go to 1 for statistics, and then you click on there 5 for regression. So you click there 5 again for the y hat or y current, since we are required to get the book value. Okay, so if that is, we are required to get the book value at the end of 3 years, so you type there 3, so that is equal to, okay, that is still 260,000. Okay, so if that is your 3y hat, that is equal to 260,000. So therefore, at 3 years, your book value would be 260,000. That is the same with the formula used in the straight line method for depreciation.